Hello friends! Today we are going to talk about using bar models to show percentages. This falls under the Common Core standard as shown for the 6th grade. We are going to complete 2 examples. The first example says, what is 45% of 120? Let's say you're taking a test that has 120 questions. You have already completed 45%. How many questions have you completed? So first we would draw a bar model, and I've already completed that part for you. We will divide the bar model into 10 equal sections. So the full bar model equals 100%. This whole thing is 100%. Our whole number is 120. So 100% is 120. The next step is to figuring out what number each section represents. So to figure this out, we would have to divide 120 by 10. So we would have to divide 120 divided by 10. Since it's a pretty easy number, we can see that it equals 12. So each of these sections equals 12. Since each section represents 10% and we need 45%, we need to count over, or we can shade in, 4 sections. We also need 5%, which is half of 12. So this 5th section we could split up into 2. So 6 and 6. So as you can see, we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 5%. Now to get our answer, we need to add up the sections. So we would need to add 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12. And then we also need to add the 6 for the 5%. So if we add all these together, 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 6, we get 54. You can also do 12 times 4 to help you, which would be 48, and then you could do the 48 plus 6 to get your 54. So 54 is 45% of 120. Let's try one more example. This one says, what is 70% of 500? Let's say you're going on a road trip that is 500 miles. You've already driven 70%. How many miles have you driven already? So again, we're going to split this bar model up into 10 sections. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We would have to divide 500 by 10 to figure out what each section equals. And as we can see, it's 50. So each one of these sections equals 50. And as stated before, the entire bar model equals 100%, and our whole number is 500. So we need to know what 70% is. So we could shade 7 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we could either add 50 up 7 times. We could do 50 plus 50 plus 50. Or we can easily do 50 times 7. When we figure that out, we get 350. So 350 is 70% of 500. All right, well, thank you. Those were just 2 examples. If you need any additional help, just let me know.